Hi everyone and welcome to Triple M Adventures with Bill. This video is to help you set up your Turnigy TGY 9X radio as a controller for Liftoff. Now you will need your radio, you'll need a cable like this, a stereo jack cable, and a program which we can download for free which is called SmartPropoPlus, which is an interface program used to connect your radio via the microphone to the Liftoff program. So let's take a look at what we need to do on the radio first to set up the model. Let's take a look at the radio. Now all we need to do on here is just to make it up a basic model, and it's simple as this. We go to menu, we move down to the vacant number, which is number 4, hold the menu button, loading, and there we go. That's as simple as it. So it's go into menu, move down to a vacant number, hold the menu button, and then you're done. That's literally everything you need to do on your radio. But you could also obviously change the model name from Model 4 to Liftoff if you wanted to do that. Let me show you where to download the SmartPropoPlus program. Let's switch over to my computer. I've saved the link. Okay, so it's this website you need to go to, and you can see where it says download, and then we can start the download. Okay, I'll speed this up. Now we can open the folder. Computer's going to go slow. Okay, there's the file there that you need to run. So you just double click that and install it onto your computer. Then everything should be okay. But I'm going to now show you how to connect the radio to your computer. Go to your computer, and I'm going to go to here because I've obviously already installed this. And there we go. Okay, you'll see this window come up. Now, normally, all you need to do is just connect your radio up. Now, with the TGY 9X, all we need to do is plug into the back of our radio, as such, and you'll see the radio starts up automatically. We then plug it into our computer. And when the option comes up on your computer, which you can see there, you need to choose, beg your pardon, mic in. Okay. Now, if it connects okay, you'll see at the bottom here, it says SmartProPlus is fully operational. That means we should be good to go. Okay. Right, normally you don't need to do anything else. You can see the channels going up and down. There's the throttle, roll, pitch, yaw. Okay, that's working beautifully. Now, what you must remember to do is when you go to use the program, make sure you minimize this window, which I'm going down to do. Make sure you minimize it. For some reason, it really slows your computer up if that's left open. Just minimize it. Now, I'm going to pause for now because I'm going to open up Liftoff and show you it operating in Liftoff. Now let's go to Liftoff and calibrate our radio. You will see it's been set up already because I did a test to make sure everything was working fine. But I did have to change the direction of the controls because they were in the incorrect sense. So let's go to options. Then we go to controls and controller. And you can see everything is working fine, but you'll see sometimes you get a little twitch on the motors, and I think it's because it's the type of system you're using to link, but it does work, but it is a little bit sluggish. So let's go to calibrate. Okay, we're going to start calibration. So you're just going to follow on screen, and you can see I'm moving all the sticks around. Okay. Center all sticks. Okay, throttle, center all sticks. Okay, pitch. Okay, I think we can say use current center. There we go. Let's do that. That'll be a lot quicker. You see it's having problems to calibrate because of the way it's linked to the computer. There we go. Roll axes. There we go. You see how it's having problems? Okay, yaw. There we go. Okay, let's have a look. There we go. Roll. Throttle. Okay, that's working. It is twitching occasionally. Okay, that's in reverse. That's in reverse. And all the controls are in reverse. So what we need to do now is to go to fine tune, and our throttle is correct, so that's fine, and our roll is the opposite way around, so we need to click invert. Let's check that's right now. Yes, and yaw is incorrect, so we're going to invert that too. And then pitch, our pitch is actually correct. Let me just check again. Oh, sorry, there we go. It's the yaw that's incorrect, so I must say invert. Let's check again. Throttle, roll right, yaw right, pitch forward. Okay, everything's good, so we can say save. Now what I'd like to do is show you the controller operating in Liftoff, and you'll see it's a little bit sluggish. So let's go to free flight. Okay. Okay, we're going to go for this first one, and that one will do. Okay, so now you'll be able to, now the problem is I've got programs running in the background here that is going to affect it. Now you may have a more powerful computer, so it might work better than mine, but you can see it's very jerky. But I'm recording this at the same time I'm playing it, so it is a bit better than this when my recording software is not operating. But you can see it's, and because I've got it in level mode, it's obviously fighting. I would say the controls are sluggish. So is it workable? So is it workable? I'm not sure. It is better when I'm not running my, let me just escape this. It is better when I'm not running my recording software to record the screen. So it is flyable, but it's definitely not as good as when I put my Taranis X-Lite on there, which is much more responsive. And I think it's because my computer's having to do so much work with the software that links your radio to the simulator. But it does work, it will do it, and you may have a much more newer and faster computer than me, so it may work acceptably so that you can practice flying. And if you have only got the Turnigy radio, at least you would be able to use it in a flight simulator. I haven't tried it in any other simulators, so it's just with this one, and I know it's because of the extra program that you need to operate it. But it definitely is a bit better than you're seeing on the, I've shown you on the screen, because I'm having to run software to record what I'm seeing on the screen so I can play it back to you. I managed to make a plan. I wanted to be fair to this setup with the Turnigy radio. And what I've done, I've set my camera up pointing at my laptop screen. So it's not going to be the best quality image, but you can see this is actually working quite nicely. If you just had a radio that doesn't have a USB port on it and cannot connect that way, you could still operate your radio using the SmartPropoPlus program. And it's definitely not as smooth as my Jumper T16 or my Taranis X-Lite, but it's definitely flyable. I'm not flying on acro, but I just wanted to be fair to it, fair to the setup, to say, look, this is definitely flyable and you will be able to practice your flying. And I think on a better computer than mine, it would be even better. Oops. Okay. That's a good way to end my flight. Thanks for watching this video. And if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you really enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel. And please share it with your friends. And if you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you give this a go and try it, please let me know how it works on your computer, so that I can put it to bed that it is actually my computer that's slow that's doing it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Happy flying. Bye for now. Bye. Bye.